course, in order to get to these bolts, they're back there. So now I gotta take the tire, rim, you know, all this crap off, brakes off, everything's gotta come off just to tighten 2 freaking bolts. He wants to earn Xbox money, so he's out here helping.
Okay.
That's done. Now for the wrist breaker.
It's gonna be loud.
Not really.
It's kind of loud, though. Sounds like really loud. Ugh.
The thing I don't like about that machine there is you see that button on the back of the handle?
Yeah.
Show the people in the camera.
Let's-
This button doesn't let me push it in with pressure without turning the damn gun on.
It won't?
I'd much rather have a trigger so that I can
Ouch.
force my hand tighter on it, and then it doesn't try and tighten the bolts or loosen the bolts while it's not ready. Should have ran them all off with the gun rather than this way, but hey, you know what? This gives me a feel for resistance. And it's got to build its air back up. Okay. Almost there.
I'll just show it back up when it's about to drop and roll to me like up.
Alright. Now for the heavy part. Alright, bring that over here. Let's see if we can see where those ding bolts are. Right here. They put it underneath the drum, which is why I couldn't get it off of there. So we have to put a wrench on that and tighten it up. See, that's what I need you to do. Push in, hold it, do it. Do it some more. Alright, that one's done. It's not going to go any further with that one. So we're going to swap out guns. Go pneumatic.
I'm not
It's
using
the
it.
Earthquake. Wonderful Harbor Freight specials.
It's only adult gun, right?
Well, I'm sure you could handle it if I let you. Wow, this thing sounds sick.
Dang! Do it again! These look awesome.
I'm trapped. Oh, what in the hell?
That's
Yeah, Harbor Freight specials, man. This is Harbor Freight. Those are awesome tools.
Harbor Freight, oh yeah. When I start to do this.
Freaking Ryobi Electric is more powerful.
What What is this thing right here? So you're adding something?
Adding more oil in case it's bound up inside or something.
You scared me. Can I hold it? No, you drop it, so not today. Dad, can I hold your phone? Dad, can I hold your phone?
Very good. Wow. That one's got nothing. That one's got absolutely nothing.
With the phone
And it's not that old of a gun. I don't use it that much. I'm gonna have to go back to the old school manual operation.
Okay, lift the phone up. Higher. Lift up. Yeah, Gray's holding the phone like downwards. He's not holding it up to his
Chill, child. He's seeing the monitor, so it's not a big deal. Did tighten it up quite a bit.
Uh.
Another Harbor Freight special.
Harbor Freight.
How long do we think this one's going to last? Because the last one lasted through half a pole.
26. I don't know. Hard?
Not yet. Give me a second, though.
Yeah, give you a second.
That actually did tighten up a lot.
My arm's about to hurt, but it's fine. I got muscles.
You know, do you want to hold the wrench? Hold this one? No. Just hold that one. Just push straight down on it as hard as you can. Okay?
Push it down hard.
Push down.
That's
Don't
up.
hold very hard.
I'm pulling down.
Here, let me have it.
Like this, pull down my hand.
Ow! I think I'm going to run it up that brake shoe. And
Is that hard?
yeah, it's...
So, are you going to take out, like, this thing right there?
You trying to take that wrench out?
No, I'm just trying to tighten these damn things up.
Dad, is this helping turn our money?
Yeah.
Can you give me 25? Because it's 25.
No.
Right, Dad?
No. Come on,
10?
kid.
$10? Maybe?
Maybe.
Like every 10?
Oh, it looks like denting that thing.
That nut is not exactly stellar.
You broke it?
Broke something. I broke the damn bolt.
Wait, I was... Oh, I think I see it.
You see all this damage? It's been rubbing against there for a long time, so that tells me if I don't have the bolt here, we're making a run to town, because that's definitely not good.
So we're going to town to buy a new one?
You
Your
may
fault.
pause it now.
It's recording now.
Well, we had to replace the bolts, and I forgot to record that. So I had to loosen both of these up, take these extra pieces out. Of course, the brakes had to come apart, which was way more work than I expected. So now I'm gonna give them enough torque to not come back apart for a little bit. And we're just gonna hope that I don't break these bolts when I'm tightening them up.
I gotta break my hand. I'm hammering my head, Dad.
Put crimp nut and
See?
lock washer on it. Oh, that one's tight. Okay. Really? Why are you hammering it? If you look at this other bolt, it has the same damage. So it was ready to go too. So now, fun part is to get all this crap put back together.
Dad,
The S-cam's in the wrong position to put this back together. Oh, come on, line up at least. Hello. As you can tell, I'm definitely not an expert at this. Dude, come on.
No, poke me that on me.
no,
I failed it.
hand.
Okay, so that one's on. I don't know why this one's not popping on.
Can I do it like that? Your arm is dirty.
I know. It's going to be dirty for a while. See how easy that was? I accidentally got it on there. Okay. Go through this hole, and you see that little tip? You just push it over in there with another screwdriver. And that seems to be an easier way of doing these. Oh crap. Oh, well, that just let go. That's what I get for trying to look at you. Here's looking at you, kid. Okay. So you put a screwdriver in there. See? And then you twist that bastard.
My
And it
hands
still didn't do it. We fought this last time we did it too, because the angles are all.
You need to watch my hands.
Not yet. You're still recording, unless you want to hand it to G.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get a different angle at my look. Okay, come on. Boom. See that? Were you even recording it?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Mine said boom.
Because it went in exactly where I wanted it to do. It's never fun. Oh, I had it there for a
So
second.
they can zoom in so they can see.
Oh, crap.
Gotta zoom in so they can see. Is that
Is that
fine?
what you're doing?
Yeah, so they can see. Right?
Ah! Well, I think I need somebody to zoom in through that camera and grab an extra screwdriver here. Oh, come on, I had you. Ah!
Hard?
Yeah, and it's, you know, I don't have brake tools. I just got the regular run-of-the-mill garbage, and I'm just trying to get this one to go right there.
Oh.
And I'm right there. I'm just that close every single time. But as soon as I try to pull the screwdriver out, I wind up losing everything I worked for. There.
Nice.
That slid in there nice and it's fine.
Wait, can I put these back in?
Oh, no, those are dirty.
We're not there yet.
Those are dirty. Oh, heck no. I'm taking my gloves on.
Okay. That's what trips me out though. If you come over here, Noah, you see how big these holes are
Yeah.
compared to the size of these? See that slop? I always wonder if that affects this.
It's glitching a little. Like
You can stop it.
Pause. Pause. There you go.
Okay.
It's kind of stupid, but
Turn back on. I'm gonna drop the damn tire on myself.
I should be hurt.
Yeah. Tire weighs a lot more than you two do.
Are you strong, Dad?
Well, if you're not strong, you're not doing this without the proper tools.
Did you just spit on it?
No. I couldn't hold my breath any longer.
What happens if you can't hold your breath in water? Die?
You exhale a little spit and it looks like you spit on something.
You.
So,
Dad, your video is up past 11 minutes and 30 seconds.
well, it's better than 3 hours working at this.
This one's going to be a long video on YouTube.
Well, I'm going to edit it down so that you don't have to watch every bit of it.
You just watch the rest and you can continue later or maybe tomorrow.
Dad, can we watch it on 4th of July? It's not all
We'll
the
probably
way.
watch
12
it
minutes
tonight.
on video.
I got to transfer it to the...
No, get out of the way.
Not all the way in. Can you make it all the way in? All the way in?
Right and pause. There you go. It gets me to
As much as you guys do too. Add a little fluid to this just to be sure.
Okay, I need to really take off my glove, but it's fine. Okay, I better get out of the way. Wait, no, screw it in. Oh.
He's doing it.
What's that mean, Dad?
This is a big bad machine.
So for adults?
Yeah. All right, watch your fingers.
Which
Right
one?
there, child. Okay. So we haven't adjusted the brakes yet. So come in here Run this thing until you get the brakes touch. Now they're touch, see?
Dad, is it fine I can
Now they're fully locked. Can't move that tire now.
Is it fine I can go inside?
Then we're gonna do
Dad, is it fine I can go inside?
there's about a half turn out.
Dad, can I go inside? That's the thing I keep switching.
It's rolling, but we still have a little drag. I've always had a little bit of drag on these things, but at least when you push on the brake pedal, it'll work. And this thing is back to nice and tight, not moving.
Dad, I keep messing up the video because my hands.
So what's the last step we got to do, boy?
Put the thing,
Dad, my
screw
hands.
it inside.
Dad,
Like
my
The
hands.
what?
the,
Dad, I don't know.
These things?
yeah,
Dad, I don't know why
What are
my.
those called?
Dad,
I don't know.
Lug nut caps.
Oh,
Want to get one?
I can't.
Camera's point of view. And your brother's obviously here helping.
No, you had to get it. You drop it, you're a mistake.
So what do you do with that? It's close, right? Look. That's all you do.
I can't get it under
The
some.
What
bag
do you do
is-
with the rest of them?
I'm holding them.
Bring them.
One-
Turd. Come on. Jordan.
Like, just don't worry about tightening it, right?
Just, well,
There, you're
why don't you
blocking.
get them there?
You're blocking the camera.
I'll show you what you do next. You got them all the way on, most of the way anyways. Okay, you got them all. No missing ones. Put that last one on there. Twist. There you go. Now
And
you just do that.
Like this.
and done record.
Do to these three.
Oh, you done record?
Not quite there yet. Do to that one. There you go. That one's all the way in. Now that one. Now that one. There we go. Now the lug nut caps are all on.
And now
There we
done
go.
record.
Now the video.
Yeah.
Job's done.
Now
Now what's left? What's left? Come on.
That's it.
No, it's not. Look down.
Pick these
You
up.
got cleanup to do.
Clean